Okay guys, this is my 65 Fastback. I just want to make a video here on the Mustang Defeer one-piece headliner. Now, I got mine with the center console. It's got the two LED lights, and I've got it hooked up right here to the courtesy right here. When the courtesy's on or off, you can turn these on right there. So we got that, and it goes all the way back there. Now you can see that back plate. There's a little gap right there. I put a couple screws up into this to kind of hold it up. Now I can take those screws out. I'm just gonna see if it settles a little bit because I don't want this flapping around. I got my 3-point harness in there. See, the windlace goes around really good. In this area here, it doesn't go up all the way. There's a little metal part of the flange for the roof that comes down. I thought about grinding it off, but since I got all my interior in, I grinded a little bit of it off, but I just didn't want to go any further with it. You can see these side pieces, they fit in real nicely. I looked at the website for Mustang Defeer, and basically what they did to find the holes for the rear view mirror and for the sun visors, you put a little piece of tape here before you get your headliner in, and then you fold it up, mark the holes. Now I did that and it kind of worked, but I had to get my Dremel in there with a little carving tool and make the holes a little bit bigger to actually find the mounting screws for these. But you know, it's they're not really that big, and it's all covered up anyways with this. So those are in good. The sun visors do kind of, see, you hear that? So hopefully in time, those will kind of wear down and won't have that issue there. This side over here, as you can see, the windlace fits really, really nice all the way up on it. All the way back. There's my 3-point harness. And then there's the windlace coming down right up there. So I just want to make a follow-up video. And then once again, here's this here. All fits really nice. Now the wiring harness for this light here, basically I bought the wiring harness from Mustang Defeer. It's pretty much self-explanatory. They send you a diagram. I did have to go in and I just changed all the ends because they weren't fitting, they were loose. So I just put my own fittings on the ends, male and female, you know, put them together. And then I ran it up over here, taped it on the inside. Sorry, that's kind of blurry. Taped it up on the inside here, ran it down here. There's plenty of room behind this A-pillar cover here, and I ran it down. About the only major issue I have is right back in here, there's kind of a plug that you have to get to go down the metal to get back in here to actually hook it all up. So I had to actually finesse this back in here a little bit, had to bend it back to get that wire to fit through there with the connector. So a little massage and no big deal, but basically I hooked up the red to my dome light, and then I hooked up the courtesy portion to my courtesy light, which is right there, and then I hooked up the ground back here behind this kick panel. So now, as you can see, it all works good. Turn this off, it works. Push these, they work. And these suckers are LED lights, and they, at nighttime, they light up the whole cabin of the vehicle. So I just thought you guys might like this follow-up video to the one-piece headliner. I would definitely recommend this over the TMI, which I bought. Wasted $350 complete junk. You can buy these headliners without the center console, but obviously I got mine. So I'm assuming the ones without the center console will fit up, but much better. It's plastic. I just painted this the same color as my interior, the light blue, silver metallic. And I'm really happy with the final product. You can look at the headroom. It looks nice. I mean, just a really, really nice piece.